Are you looking for the top 5 best mountain bike hip packs? How much should you actually spend on a mountain bike hip pack? Because some people are happy buying the cheap options, while others swear by the pricey ones. It's a bit interesting, right? Let's break down the top 5 packs that could really make a difference on your rides.
Product number 1, Osprey Daylight Waist Pack. The Osprey Daylight Waist Pack caught my eye with its sleek design and lightweight build, priced at just $28.99. If you want a reliable companion for those short rides, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for efficiency, featuring an interior mesh pocket for organization and a key clip that keeps your essentials secure. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its water-resistant material protects your gear from unexpected rain, and its 46-inch strap offers a comfortable fit for different waist sizes. Plus, at a price point with over 300 units sold last month, it's clearly popular among cyclists. Now, some people complained about the lack of a larger compartment for bigger items. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something simple and efficient for essentials, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight pack for quick rides. Skip this one if you need to carry a lot of gear. At under $30, it's a great value.
Product number 2, Waterfly Fanny Pack. Next up is the Waterfly Fanny Pack, priced at $28.49. This one really caught my attention because of its versatility and ample storage. If you're on the hunt for something that can double as a sling bag, it's definitely worth a look. The 3 separate zipper pockets are perfect for organizing your gear, and the 2 water bottle holders are a game changer for hydration on the go. Here's why this matters. It can hold a 7.9-inch iPad mini in the largest pocket, while keeping your phone and wallet safe in the front zipper pocket. The water-resistant material protects against light rain, and the reflective strips offer safety during night rides. 100 units sold last month show it's gaining traction too. Now, some users mentioned that the water bottle holders can be a bit tight for larger bottles, but honestly, if you opt for standard-sized bottles, you won't have a problem. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile pack that adapts to your needs. Skip it if you prefer a more streamlined option. For under $30, it delivers great value. Alright, that was a solid option.
Product number 3, Osprey Savu Pack. The Osprey Savu Biking Waist Pack comes in at $75 and has some impressive features that caught my eye. If you want a pack specifically designed for biking, this one is worth a serious look. With a 5-liter storage capacity and dual bottle pockets, it's perfect for longer rides. The AirScape back panel provides comfort and stability, meaning you can pedal hard without it bouncing around. Plus, the dual hip belt pockets give you quick access to your phone or snacks without stopping. Here's why this matters for you. It's designed for stability with a body-hugging fit and side compression straps that keep everything in place. With over 50 units sold last month, it's popular for a reason. Some users mentioned that it can feel bulky at times. But honestly, if you're planning on carrying more gear, the bulkiness is a small price to pay for the comfort and storage you get. This is perfect for you if you're into longer rides and want easy access to hydration. Skip this if you're looking for a minimalist option. At $75, it's a bit of an investment, but well worth it for serious bikers.
Product number 4, Evoc Hip Pack Pro 3. The Evoc Hip Pack Pro 3 is a premium choice at $150, and I've gotta say, the features justify the price tag. If you're looking for top-tier organization and comfort, this pack deserves your attention. It includes a 1.5-liter hydration bladder and multiple compartments to keep your gear perfectly organized. The quick install bicycle tarpaulin feature is a nice touch for those who need to stay prepared on the trail. Here's why this matters. The aluminum material is durable, and the bladder ensures you stay hydrated without the hassle of carrying bottles. While it's only sold about 50 times last month, the quality speaks volumes. Some customers have mentioned that the price is a bit steep, but here's the thing. If you're serious about biking and want a pack that enhances your experience, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you're an avid mountain biker who values organization and hydration. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or just starting out. For a premium option, the value is definitely there. Now, product number 5, USW Zulo Hydration Hip Pack. Finally, we have the USW Zulo Hydration Hip Pack, priced at $93.22. This pack really stands out with its bounce-free design, ensuring a snug fit during your rides. If you want to keep your essentials secure while on the move, it's worth checking out. The 2-liter capacity is perfect for short to medium rides, and the multiple pockets allow easy access to your items. The banana-shaped hip belt fits comfortably and doesn't cramp your style. Here's why this matters. It's designed for sports enthusiasts, making it suitable for everything from mountain biking to running. The water-resistant feature means your gear stays dry, which is crucial if you get caught in a shower. With 50 units sold recently, it's a popular pick among active users. Some reviews pointed out that it doesn't hold as much as larger packs, but honestly, if you're looking for a lightweight option that prioritizes mobility, this should not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a functional and comfortable pack for active sports. Skip this if you need to carry a lot of gear.
So there you have it, the top 5 mountain bike hip packs. Whether you're after something lightweight like the Osprey Daylight, a versatile option like the Waterfly Fanny Pack, the stability of the Osprey Savu, the premium features of the Evoque Hip Pack Pro, or the comfort of the USW Zulu, there's something for every type of rider. Choose what fits your rides and needs best.